How to use shortcut keys in WavePad. First of all, open WavePad and load the audio file you want to edit by clicking File and then Open File, or drag and drop your file into the WavePad window. Using shortcut keys in WavePad can save you a lot of time and make your editing process much smoother. Some of the most common shortcuts include Ctrl Z to undo, Ctrl Y to redo, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and Ctrl X to cut. You can also use Ctrl A to select the entire audio, spacebar to play or pause the audio, and delete to remove selected parts quickly. Other useful shortcuts are Ctrl S to save your project, Ctrl O to open a file, and Ctrl N to create a new project. To zoom in on your audio waveform, press Ctrl++, and to zoom out, Ctrl+-. For navigation, Home takes you to the beginning of the track and In takes you to the end. These shortcuts help you perform common editing tasks faster without needing to navigate menus. Try to memorize the shortcut keys that you use most often to speed up your workflow and focus more on creative editing rather than clicking through menus. And that's it. Now you know how to use shortcut keys in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.